Young drivers are facing some of the highest car insurance costs in the UK, with those aged 17 to 24 paying an average of £1,098 per year. For many, these steep premiums make getting on the road feel out of reach. But what if some of the choices you're making are actually pushing those costs even higher? Industry experts are highlighting key mistakes that could be making insurance more expensive for young motorists in 2026. The good news is there are practical steps you can take to help bring those costs down. First, think carefully about your choice of car. Opting for a vehicle with a smaller engine and lower horsepower can make a big difference to your premium. High-powered cars are seen as riskier, so insurers charge more to cover them. Next, be vigilant about avoiding penalty points. Even a few points on your license can have a big impact. 3 penalty points could add around 5% to your insurance, while 6 points might see your premium jump by as much as 25%. Safe driving not only keeps you and others safe, but it also protects your wallet. It's also important to resist the urge to modify your car. Custom paint jobs, spoilers, or non-standard alloys might look appealing, but they can make your car more attractive to thieves and increase the risk of accidents. Insurers see modified cars as higher risk, which means higher premiums. When it comes to your annual mileage, be realistic. Drivers who cover between 10,000 and 14,099 miles a year pay about 12% more than those who drive less than 1,000 miles. The more you drive, the greater your risk of an accident, so make sure your mileage estimate is accurate. Finally, consider telematics insurance, sometimes called a black box policy. Technology tracks your driving habits, and if you're a safe driver, you could be rewarded with lower premiums. By making smart choices and avoiding these common mistakes, young drivers can take control of their insurance costs and make getting on the road a little more affordable.
Quote Zone Insurance Comparison. Find a better